What is colorimetry? Colorimetry is a quantitative analytical technique used to determine the concentration of a colored substance in solution by measuring how much light it absorbs at a specific wavelength. It is widely used in biochemistry, clinical diagnostics, environmental analysis, food industry, pharmaceutical labs. Colorimetry is based on the principle that colored compounds absorb light of specific wavelengths, and the amount of light absorbed is proportional to their concentration. What is a colorimeter? A colorimeter is an analytical instrument used to measure the absorbance, or transmission, of light by a colored solution in order to determine its concentration. It is a simpler version of a spectrophotometer and usually works in the visible region, 400 to 700 nanometers. Principle of colorimetry. Colorimetry is based on the Beer-Lambert Law. Beer-Lambert Law. A equals epsilon Cl. Where A equals absorbance. Epsilon equals molar absorptivity, constant. C equals concentration of solution. L equals path length, usually 1 cm Cuvette. Key points. When monochromatic light passes through a colored solution, part of it is absorbed. The amount of light absorbed is directly proportional to concentration of solution. Path length of Cuvette. More concentration rightward arrow, more absorption rightward arrow, less transmitted light. Also expressed as A equals log I/I, where I equals incident light intensity. I equals transmitted light intensity. Instrumentation of colorimeter. A basic colorimeter consists of the following components. Light source. Tungsten lamp, visible region. Provides white light. Filter, monochromator. Selects specific wavelength. Usually colored glass filters. Ensures monochromatic light. Cuvette, sample holder. Transparent container, glass or plastic. Path length usually 1 cm. Photodetector. Photoelectric cell. Converts light energy into electrical signal. Amplifier. Amplifies electrical signal. Display/meter. Shows absorbance or percent transmittance. Block diagram flow. Light source, filter, sample, Cuvette, detector, amplifier, rightward arrow, display. Working of a colorimeter. Step-by-step procedure. Blank preparation. Fill Cuvette with solvent, no solute. Set absorbance to 0. Standard preparation. Prepare known concentration solutions. Measure absorbance. Plot standard calibration curve. Sample measurement. Place unknown sample. Measure absorbance. Concentration determination. Use Beer's law or calibration curve. Determine unknown concentration. Types of colorimetry. Visual colorimetry. Compared with colored standards visually. Less accurate. Photoelectric colorimetry. Uses photodetector. More accurate and widely used. Applications of colorimeter. 1. Clinical biochemistry. Estimation of glucose, urea, creatinine, cholesterol, hemoglobin. 2. Environmental analysis. Water quality testing. Nitrate, phosphate estimation. Heavy metal analysis. 3. Food industry. Sugar content. Artificial color measurement. Additive analysis. 4. Pharmaceutical industry. Drug concentration analysis. Dissolution studies. Quality control. 5. Biotechnology and research labs. Enzyme activity assays. Protein estimation, example Bradford method. Advantages: simple and inexpensive, quick analysis, requires small sample, good for routine laboratory work. Limitations: less accurate than spectrophotometer, works only in visible region, interference from other colored substances, not suitable for very low concentrations. Difference: colorimeter vs spectrophotometer. Feature: colorimeter, spectrophotometer. Wavelength range: visible only, UV plus visible. Monochromator. Filters: prism/grating. Accuracy: moderate. High. Cost: low. Expensive. Summary: colorimetry equals technique to measure concentration of colored compounds. Colorimeter equals instrument used for this measurement. Based on Beer-Lambert law. Works by measuring light absorbance. Widely used in clinical, environmental, pharmaceutical,